Good morning, August Georgino.
Ball.
Oh, do you have a ball? What else do you have? Here. What's this? Here. Where's your truck? Where's the truck magnet on the fridge? Did you see a circle? What else? Let's see, where? That's right! Says the monkey. Right. Monkey? Uh-huh. What else? Where's the moon? There's the moon, right. Moon, good job. How about a lion? What does a lion say? What does a lion say? Where's the lion on the fridge? Which one's the lion? There he is. That's right. What a smart boy you are. Can you show me any other ones? How about where's your truck? Where's the truck? There it is. That's right. There you found the truck, bud. Hi. Is there any chickens? Or any cars? Or any roosters? What does a rooster say? Doo-doo-doo. There's a rooster. Look. There he is. What does a rooster say? What does he say? Doo-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. What about this one? What does this animal say? Moo. What does this animal say? Meow, that's right.